What's up, family? Portfolio update. We sitting at 12,452. $12,452. $53. It's changing as we speak. Making money now. Losing money. It's just up and down. It's happy. But and I had to take about $1,200 in losses, y'all. Keep it real with y'all, cause I got rid of Misty. And to get rid of Misty, I had to take losses because I was down on the position, right? So I realized those losses. But it's cool because I wanted to rebalance my portfolio and just cut my losses and move forward, right? Strength, stability, growth. That's what I'm looking for. So we in a couple SMH calls. We down about $100, which is about 45% in this call. But it's cool because if you look, at the top, it say SMH 242.39, and the current price is 249.51. So that's gonna be really good for these calls when they open up tomorrow. And if they keep pushing tomorrow, that'll be even better. You know what I'm saying? And then we got another UNH, United Healthcare call, 600 call. It's $132. We down on that, $9. But that's how they do. We got time. We got till September 19th on this. So if any of y'all want to hop in this, feel free. Get in here and see how they move. Because it's going to go right back to $500, $600. I'm telling you. And so the closer we get, the more money we make. That's how options work. You got to always keep something printing. XRP right at our dollar cost average price. We up $10. You know what I'm saying? We got 1,529 coins. That ain't even that many. I'm just dollar cost average and spreading money around. I bought a few hundred today. Me just spreading Misty out because I had a lot of exposure to Misty. We bought 450 today. You know what I'm saying? So we were just buying today. I bought a Solana coin today, so y'all can just kind of see what I spent today. We bought a Solana coin that was 170 some bucks. It's about $500-$600. We bought some XLM the other day. 500 coins. Pushed that to 1,000. We bought some more Chainlink. We bought some of it. Today we bought another one today. Bought 4 the other day. Just accumulating. You know what I'm saying? And we up on it slightly. That's all I care about, because if you had this money in the bank, you wouldn't even have the opportunity to make no money. It'll give you like 3 cents. You know what I'm saying? And this is down, but, it's an income ETF. I got 90 shares, and the more shares you got, the harder it hit, up or down, right? So I'm down 1%, and that's $25. But it's going to turn around and pay me off 70 shares, right? 23 cents a share. I'm cool with that because if you go look what this got in there, I'm going to go over it real quick. Berkshire Hathaway, American Express, Apple, VeriSign, Bank of America Finance, Citigroup Finance, Kroger, Consumer Discretionaries. They do all kind of stuff like brands, data, all kind of stuff you wouldn't even understand. But DaVita, one of the biggest dialysis companies, healthcare. You got Visa, another financial company, but they like a payments processor. Then you got Coca-Cola. They always kicking out a dividend, and they've been doing it for 50 years. So you got dividend kings in here. You know what I'm saying? Along with Berkshire Hathaway, which is one of the best companies on the market. Right? So you got a stacked portfolio. But once these things start pushing back up, you're going to see. Then we got SCHD. You know what I'm saying? We got 40 of those. And this was another one that we hopped in. We put about 1,000 or so into her just because Misty. We got to rebalance. We got this one. And then we got OMAH. We got, 1,700 in here. And then we got another, 1,000 or so in here. And this is up slightly, $2, right? And I'm cool with that because it's going to pay me too. But I just wanted to stay steady and keep ticking up. Because if you go look what companies they got in there, they're going to keep ticking up. Some of the best companies in the world. You go look, Coca-Cola, again, Texas Instruments, Home Depot, Lockheed Martin, Atria Group, and that's the cigarette company. They manufacture cigarettes in the United States. They do all the cigarettes, Verizon, You know what they do? Cell phone, communications, Cisco systems, internet services, protocol, network, products, Conoco Gas, Chevron Gas, you see what I'm saying? AbbVie Healthcare, Biotech, Biopharmaceutical, you know what I'm saying? They got some companies in here and they gonna pay us. You know what I'm saying? And then Texas Instruments was what I added in place of Misty. It's gonna give you about a 3% dividend, and then it's gonna give you some growth. Cause I hopped in this at 179. We got 5 shares, and it's up $33 already. You know what I'm saying? I bought this one when I bought this other day. Yesterday. We bought it 178. We bought another one today. You know what I'm saying? So we up on that too. And then Nvidia, I've been telling y'all about this. We was in here at 90 something. I bought another one today. It pushed my dollar cost average up to 101. And we up 40% on this, 39%, $238. You know, you go to SMH, it's up $249. I told y'all I just want to go back 225, 250. What I tell y'all? Told y'all this. We got in this at 180. You know what I'm saying? We got 3 of them, 186. We up 33% on an ETF. Look what this got in here. This got all these companies, all these chip companies. See that? Texas Instruments again is off in here. That's why I went and got that company. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all gonna see. And then Amazon, banger. We up 23% on Amazon. I told y'all about it at 170. I don't be playing when I be talking about these prices, y'all. Because these stocks want to go back to 220, 240. I'm telling y'all. But y'all gonna see how Amazon pushing up strong. That's how they'll do. One day they'll just push up. And you'll be like, damn, I should have bought that motherfucker. Excuse my French. But that's how it'll be, family. Every time. Every time. And we up on most of all these positions except Omaha. You see what I'm saying? So we ain't tripping. And then it's gonna pay us, So we good. We just gonna keep stacking on top of each other, and y'all keep staying encouraged and stay on me, y'all. Love y'all. Peace.